and we earned $1,104 profit. We're winning! It looks like a win. Yeah, nice! Hello, I'm Camila. For the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite pocket option strategies. We will use two really simple indicators that if used skillfully will bring us a good profit. So we go to the trading platform, I use pocket option and I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for the strategy. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time also 1 minute. In the indicators tab, select CCI and moving average twice. For CCI, leave default settings, and for the MA, set period to 50. First of all, we wait for the candle to cross MA 50. If the candle crosses from bottom to top and CCI crosses 100 level, we enter uptrade. If the candle crosses from top to bottom and CCI crosses 100 level, we enter downtrade. So we are all set and let's move on to practice. Before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write me private messages I want a guide. Do it right now and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. So, here is the first situation for today. Price crossed MA and CCI crossed 100. I'm waiting for the candle to close and enter the down trade. Just 5 seconds left and it looks like a win. Yeah! Nice! $368 net profit. Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Price crossed MA 50 from bottom to top and CCI was almost at 100 level. So I will enter on the next candle. Yeah, I enter. Few seconds left and we're winning! Wow, not really confident but winning. Another $368 net profit. Nice! One candle before CCI crossed 100 level. If candle is gonna close higher than MA, I will enter uptrade. Yeah, I enter. Five seconds left and it looks like another win. Yeah, nice! Another $368. Today we looked at a powerful, simple and effective strategy and we earned $1,104 profit. So for today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!